Today, we will be replacing the charge port on a Galaxy S4. This repair will take about 10 to 15 minutes. You will be handling fragile parts, so take your time and be gentle. Be sure to use the Werx repair mat to keep all screws organized. Some screws have the same size but different lengths and can be easily misidentified during reassembly. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from any glass shaken free during the repair, and be sure to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static charges in the device. Pry open with a plastic opening tool or your fingernail. Insert a plastic opening tool or your finger into the notch of the battery compartment and lift the battery upwards, and then remove the battery from your phone. If it is present, remove the microSD card and the SIM card by pressing slightly deeper into its slot until you hear a click and release the card. It will pop out of its slot. Remove the 9 4mm Phillips screws securing the mid-frame to the display assembly. Insert your plastic opening tool between the chrome bezel around the display glass and the larger chrome border piece. Now slide your opening tool along the seam, separating the plastic clips as you go. Remove the mid-frame from the display assembly. Use the flat end of a spudger to disconnect the charge port flex cable connector from the motherboard. Disconnect the function key flex cable. Disconnect the antenna cable connector. Be careful, as CDMA devices will have 2 antenna cables, while GSM devices will only have 1. Remove the charge port bracket by applying pressure to the left and use the flat end of the plastic spudger to lift the bracket. The charge port is secured to the device assembly with light adhesive. Gently insert the flat end of a spudger beneath the charging port to free it from the adhesive holding it into place. Remove the charge port from the display assembly. Place the new charge port to the display assembly, making sure all cables are on top and not underneath. Insert the charge port bracket. Now connect the antenna cables. Connect the charge port flex cable to the logic board and the function keys cable. Insert the midframe onto the device, being careful that the part snaps evenly over the entire device. Insert the 9 Phillips screws. If you have questions related to this repair, please contact Werx for assistance.